credentials do you have?
6 in our party.
Where are your credentials?
That's purple. Like my drawing.
Make sure the flash is off.
It is off.
Well, you're wearing the badge for him. Oh, okay.
Just no flash.
Wow, this is cool. Alright, where am I supposed to go? Not a builder.
All three you're gonna place at the top. Perfect.
Oh, I'm doing this for you, is it?
No, it's yours.
Place that credential right here. I knew that was
Welcome. I wanted to see your faces when you saw the workshop for the first time. I know it's a little, it's a lot, but to us it's everything. I see you've met my fellow gatherers. Very good, very good. You may call me Kevin. Now to some of you this may look like a lot of old junk, but please believe me when I tell you that some of this is new junk. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers because we search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged lands. What we find, we bring here. So where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may just ensure a future. Yes? Yes. Now, by this point, you've all heard the legends of Luke Skywalker. We hear there is another. A new Jedi. Does anyone know her name? Rey. Rey. And what she is leading is the spark of hope we have all been waiting for. And that, my friends, is why you're here tonight. To look ahead to the future. To build this. A lightsaber. A lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and their darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. Now the saber is a reflection of the builder, with the force flowing between them. And tonight, you will feel that connection. But enough chatting, let's begin. We start with perhaps the most important aspect of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the Force, to magnify it. Now some call the Kyber crystal the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal reveals the color of the blade. You may know this from some of the great Jedi in our history. A blue crystal, such as the one wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, and his apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and, of course, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the blade wielded by Mace Windu. Red. There are those who call this the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past. We are here for you. Our future. You will now choose your Kyber crystal. My friends, indulge me briefly. Please close your eyes. What color do you see in your mind? Choose your crystal. And know that it is equally likely that your crystal is choosing you. Now, open your eyes and take your crystal. Once you've chosen, please place the crystal on a small green tray directly in front of you on the building station.
Do you see the color that goes to? Do you see the color that goes to? Do you see the color?
Excellent. Well done. You will now join your crystal to the aspects of lightsaber design that you chose moments ago on the side. I want to make sure that your crystals are indeed on the green tray in front of you. Good. Now, you begin to build your hilt. This is the foundation of your lightsaber. Your center of control, and the part that keeps your hand in the center. Inside is body. Design aspects you chose just a little while ago. Take a look, refamiliarize yourself. Number 5, the chassis. Activation plates, grip, emitter, and pommel cap. Remember, building a lightsaber is a very personal journey. Just as you selected your crystal, you will now choose each aspect of design that makes your saber unique. Should you have any questions or problems, the gatherers are standing before you ready and willing to help. All you have to do is ask. And now, my friends, let's build!
Once inside the light of the color crystal, the soft and spinning crystal should follow. Perfect. Very nice. Would you like me to do this? All right. We're going to just make sure that it's standing up straight. Alright, once you choose that, you look at the back of each plate. There's a red and blue square on the back. You're going to match this up with the red and blue square on the chassis. By the side there, you can actually over one. Now, our next step
Come on, Minnie.
would be to select our activation plate. You have one set up here at the top, another set down there at the bottom. We're going to pick one and you'll push that right in. When you made your selection, look on the inside. We're going to use these first. Now look on the inside of your plate. There should be a red or blue square. That line with the red or blue square that's on your chassis. You just need the other side. So you're going to match colors, red to red.
Match the colors, red to red. Have we done? Right. So look at those colors. So
I already did red.
ask for help.
Excuse me, I've done red to red.
Yep. Now you're going to do blue to blue. Our next step is to select our you have 4 options there to trick. Now my Padawans, I'm going to have you start with just one trick to the bottom. So pick 1 and 2. The sticker lift off the grip and so one of these grips.
Put that one back. For the bottom.
Alright, now to tighten that grip, you're going to push up and twist to the right. Wait, not the left. No, you had it right. That's going to be on the top.
Upside down. Minnie. Upside down. Right.
Which now pieces do you need? One more for the top.
Wait, how do I
See over here. Press the button here on the bottom. Then we're going to tighten very up. Just like that. Now you can pick one more for the top. Got it. Great job. Okay. Now you're ready to move on to now pedal on this one up here, you're going to twist to the left. You got it. Keep going.
Trust your first choice for the rest.
Now you can select an emitter for the top part of here.
The other way around.
Just like that. Now that you're going to just spin on it. So
Spin.
now you don't need to push, that just spins.
So one will go on the top and one will go on the bottom.
Now your last step is to choose which position.
This one. Is it like that?
Yep.
Who belongs to this saber? My daughter. It's everything. It's lettering means. What does it mean? We don't know either. I was hoping you could be the one to tell us. Yes. Beautiful, rare color. Rare and beautiful. Well done. It's a lovely color. It's rare and beautiful, just as you are. Well done. Use it well. Fantastic. Balanced. Strong. Good job. What's your name? Ryan. Beautiful. Ah! The rank or two. Only one thing worse. Rank or breath. Beautiful work. Contusion, whalebone, and bantha level. Very impressive. Now, we come to potentially the most dangerous part of the build. My friends, leave your hilts on your station. Take a deep breath and step well back to the outer perimeter of the workshop. Gatherers, you know exactly what's in it. It's most temperamental and uncommitted. You never know what's going to happen. Don't worry, you're in no danger. Now, going to move forward to the final bit of the puzzle.
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. We've reached the final stage. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, you will come forward, place your hand on the hilt of your completed lightsaber, and when I give you the word, you will, for the first time, activate the blade. Are you ready? Come forward and activate. Raise your sabers. You have built a lightsaber. But the Jedi and the Sith that have come before you, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Now, my friends, if you would be kind enough to momentarily deactivate and lower your blade.
Ah, complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny, you see, your own path. May the Force be with you.
In your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. In order to protect your new creations, we are pleased to offer you a saber sheath as you leave. Our time together is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and as extraordinary as the sabers you have just built. And perhaps next time, we shall be telling your stories. Till the spire.
Till the spire.
Grab my robot.
This way.
Safe journey.
Turn it off. There you go.
Look at mine. Red alien and grumpy dog. You went for blue. I went for fire. I went green.
Do not drop them on the floor. And they're not for hitting anything with.